anything and everything is here. If you're a brand owner and you're trying to figure out technology and how it might relate to your product, I've seen more applications that a brand owner could engage with. If you're a converter, I think there are more solutions this year about ways to enhance what you may be currently doing without the significant expense of, a very high-end press. On the other end, if you're looking for the state-of-the-art, digital flexographic solution, there are more choices here today than I think I've ever seen at Labelexpo.
There's always so much to see, so many people to reconnect with, and so much to learn. It's a highlight event for us to come to Labelexpo.
Are you kidding me? This has been a Labelexpo like I haven't felt before, and I've heard that from many, many people. There was an energy and an excitement in the air that hasn't been seen for years. Where traditionally Brussels was where new products would be innovated, 2 years, you can't wait. I mean, innovation happens between Labelexpos.
Necessity is the mother of invention, right? And a few years ago, we were looking at digital solutions, and today, the flexographic producers, manufacturers, have really upped their game and engaged with digital in a way that I think those of us who've been around for a few years didn't quite know they were going to do that in that manner.
I just took a look out at the automation arena, and we're always looking for ways to incrementally increase our efficiencies. I just actually saw a really cool automated core cutter. Something small, but it maximizes the team's time and allows them to have more uptime on the press.
Understanding, the whole concept of automation or 4.0 is this question for me of labor and capabilities. Every one of these press operators or these press manufacturers that I've seen at the show are offering simpler solutions from an operation standpoint.
So we're always looking for ways to just increase our sustainability. It's so important, not just to consumers, but also brand owners. We want to be able to tell that sustainability story. And so things like the Eco Village really help to get that story out to the bigger part of the industry.
Labels and Labeling does a great job of keeping readers up to date on both the converter and the supplier side, the technology side, the association side, the environmental side. It's the go-to spot for us.
Oh, I love the magazine for industry trends, but particularly the Labelexpo preview. It's so important. It was actually in my purse right on the flight on the way up. It's so important to know what you're looking for, what trends you want to take a look on. The show floor is ginormous.
I love Labels and Labeling. I love Labels and Labeling. TLMI is about the leadership of the label industry. We represent almost 70% of all label revenues run through TLMI companies. People think of it as, oh, it's for the big guys. No, it's not for the big guys. The median size of a label converter within TLMI is $12 million. We have a source in DC that shares information with TLMI members about policies, procedures. How do those things specifically impact me as a label member? That's the type of information you get by being a TLMI member.